Hi, who's that? Okay, wait. Richard underscore DWI. Yes, okay guys, we have a new system which is online class. We can still proceed with the classes. The most important thing is we don't get stuck with the progress. So, new online class from Suara Academy right now. Right now, Suara Academy is closed. We're closing it to help the pandemic to stop, inshallah. But we're still continuing our classes. No physical contact, but we can still continue with the classes. Either piano, guitar, or vocals. Okay? Right now, we are doing what we can. So, we can proceed with the classes. But we're still trying to figure it out. Teacher Yam, Teacher Mimi. Hello Cigo.
Itu yang tu.
Teacher.
Ipah lah awak mak yang beli. Dekat garden mana entah. Semalam.
Cigo Afi. Teacher Afi.
Hello.
So we're here. We're trying to figure out how we can proceed with the classes. But we are going to have online classes, alright? So everyone who needs to come here, we do the classes online. Means you can stay at home. We can still proceed with the classes. To those who want to register. Head on to Suara Academy Instagram. I'm gonna post this to my IG as well.
Pedal.
Okay.
2, 3, 4.
So that's Teacher Mimi and Teacher Yang. They're trying to record the warm-ups, vocalizations.
Pin. Macam pin nombor telefon.